Okay, I'm going to show you how you can import some data for the lab. So we're going to import it from our engine run data for lab 11. So if I go to the home menu, select import data, I'm going to select the file here. And let's assume I want to import T3B. So I'm going to select all the data here. Okay, so I'm not going to click on the correct mark. I'm going to select Generate Script. So just generate some script, and this is the code to import T3B. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to bring it across to my lab 11. So there's the data coming in. We just want to clean it up. And in our lab book there is an equation for T3B. It would look something like this. It is y is equal to 0.0503x plus 0.002. So this is the value here in volts, and I want to convert that to degrees Kelvin. So I'm going to say T3B equals this value here. So here's my voltage, T3B. I'm going to bring this across, so that's minus 0.002. Let's put that in brackets. And then I'm going to divide that by 0.0503. And that will convert my voltage that was in the Excel spreadsheet into degrees Celsius. And I want to convert that to degrees Kelvin. I'll add on 273. And that should be my T3B data. So if I run the script editor, let's save it first, and I run it. If I look at T3B, I'm getting 312, 311, 300 degrees Kelvin, which is approximately right. So instead of having to go through that process the whole time, if I wanted to import the next parameter, let's say it's T4, so I know T4 is in column E, I could just copy this down, Control C. So we're going to put T4, we're going to call this T4, we're going to call this 4. This becomes T4, and we're going to change that from D to E. And the equation for T4 is 0.0103x plus 0.1618. 1618. So this becomes minus 0.1618. That becomes divided by 0.0103. And now I have T4. So I can copy that code and change it for all the other parameters, and that's how I get my data in. So I hope that helps.